In this video, I'm going to be covering the rest of L3E and last layer cases. I'm going to be showing several solutions for sludges and hedges that will be useful for canceling and building better Vs. Starting out with sludges and hedges, I'm going to be showing all the algorithms for sludges and you can mirror them for hedges. The standard algorithm is just like this, the for mover. However, from this angle, you can also do this. From this angle, you can do L, U prime, sludge, L prime. From this AUF, you can do L, R, and that will force this one flip case that will skip. From this AUF, you can do L, sledge, U prime, L prime. From this angle, you can do R prime, U prime, sledge, R. From this AUF, you can do R prime, U, L prime, U prime, L, R. From this AUF, you can also do R prime canceling into a sledge, U prime, R. Okay, so for these two insert cases, there's two ways of doing it. You can either do it in the front for both of them, and then, or you can do it from the side for both of them, like that. And it can obviously be mirrored like that. Same goes for these two cases. You can do it like that, and you can also do these cases from the side. One thing to note about these cases is that if you do a hedge, you'll still have the insert from the other side. So if you were ever to get a situation where it's like this, you can either do that or you can do that and you'll get an insert. So in these type of situations, it's up to whichever one that you find faster. Next, for the soons, there's really no special way of doing it, just like that. I choose to do my soons. This one, I do lefty, like that. And then this one, I do righty, like that. But you can do it any way you want. It really doesn't matter. I find those the fastest for my finger tricks. Okay, so these next two cases are ones I see beginners mess up a lot. I'll see a lot of people do like hedge and then inverse sexy. And the better algorithm to do for this is to do an L inverse sexy, L prime. And that basically saves you the redundancy of doing two R moves and saves you two moves. And same thing for this case, R prime, inverse left sexy, R. And for these cases, you can also do them like this. For this one, you can do R prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, R. And for this case, you can do L, R, U, R prime, U prime, L prime. So you may be wondering why you would ever do these alternate algorithms when it is often faster to even just rotate and do a sledge. And that is because of doing cancellations and trying to force better L4E cases. And there are situations where you're building your V and you'll run into this, where you can either do a L sledge, or you can do a U prime first and then you get an insert. And depending on the AUFs, you could actually save moves with the insert over the sledge. And there's just a lot of different situations that you can do this in. And also knowing the algorithms can help you find better solutions with your Vs. You'll start to recognize more patterns the more algorithms you pick up. And that's another reason why I think it's important to start learning these things at whatever level you're at.